when I came here, I was not confident at all in using AI. I do use ChatGPT, but now I realize that it's a tool to use. It's not a cheating mechanism, and I can't wait to go back and use it.
How did you like the training today?
I loved it. It was very informative and it was interesting, most of all.
And how would you compare this training to other AI trainings that you've taken?
I think this was probably my first AI training.
Okay.
Definitely my first AI training.
From what you learned today, how confident you came here and how confident you're leaving here?
So when I came here, I was not confident at all in using AI. I do use ChatGPT, but I do feel like it's cheating a little bit. So maybe that's my, Catholic school upbringing, and but now I realize that it's a tool to use. It's not a cheating mechanism, and I can't wait to go back and use it. I'm going to use it to present my budget and help with that.
Okay. And if you took one thing out of this training, what would be that?
One of the things I've taken a couple things, but one of the most interesting things I found was the translation piece, because many a time we have parents come in. We do central registration in my board office. When we have parents coming in to register, there's a language barrier. So it's always, you have to get a translator in, and so that's another tool I can't wait to use.
I see. And how did you like the trainer?
He was very knowledgeable and he was great, except that he's a Google Sheets person and I'm an Excel person. So we'll figure that out.